Hi everyone. Today we are going to listen to a book from the website Epic. Epic is located on your Schoology page on your resource board at the very top. It is the blue icon in the middle, and remember, it does need that passcode, which is right here, DTC 7733. All right, so let's go ahead and click. It is going to ask me for that code, DTC 7733. And we are always going to choose Primus. All right, so today I am going to type in the topic that I'm looking for, which is Christmas, a holiday that some of us celebrate in the month of December. And I would really like a video because they sometimes have the books that will read to us, and this one is great. It's called The Nutcracker in Harlem. So remember, we do share these books and things amongst each other. So if you ever click on something and it is already, halfway through or at the end even, you can always go back to the beginning and so you can listen as well. So this book is really nice because it's read to us by the author of the story. And I always think it's really interesting and nice to hear from the actual author, the person who writes the words. So I hope you enjoy Nutcracker in Harlem.
Hi, my name is Tommy McMorrow, and I'm the author of The Nutcracker in Harlem, illustrated by James Ransom. The Nutcracker in Harlem is set in the Harlem Renaissance. It was snowing in Harlem on Christmas Eve. The party at Marie's house swirled with colors, gold and red and green. Mama and Poppy were dancing. Miss Addie sang, and Uncle Cab played the piano. Marie loved the sound of Christmas. And you can see Marie here. She's on the staircase. Maybe she's a little shy. Join in, Marie, Uncle Cab called out. Marie looked down. She wished she could sing, but Marie was afraid she wasn't any good. Certainly not like Miss Addie or Uncle Cab. The song ended. It was time for gifts. Every year, Uncle Cab would give Marie a doll and Freddie some toy soldiers. They were carved from a magical wood, Uncle Cab said. He handed Freddie his gift. And now for my Marie, said Uncle Cab. A nutcracker, said Marie. A drummer boy nutcracker. Dum-diddy-dum-dum, dum-dee-dum, played the nutcracker on his drum. Uncle Cab sang a tune to the beat of the little drummer. The room again filled with song. Everyone in the house was singing or dancing. Everyone except Marie. Miss Addie knelt next to Marie. Will you sing with me, Marie? She asked. Marie shook her head. Well, maybe next time, Miss Addie said. Music lives inside everyone. You just have to let it out. After dinner, Marie took the nutcracker and a slice of sweet potato pie and sat by the Christmas tree. You can see her here. You see the tree. The lights were soft and twinkling. She lay down, closed her eyes, and fell asleep. Marie opened her eyes. The house had gone quiet. Outside, it had stopped snowing. A full moon glowed in the sky, and the living room was filled with a ghostly white light. A rustling sound came from the top of the tree, where Mama had hung her favorite ornaments, the glass birds. It was almost as if the blue glass bird was moving. It was. The bird fluttered its wings and began to sing. Then the gold bird joined in, and the red one, and the green one too. As the birds sang, the Christmas tree began to grow. It grew bigger and bigger until it towered over Marie. The ornaments, the presents, the dolls, and the soldiers grew too. Dum-diddy-dum-dum, dum-dee-dum. The Nutcracker played his drum. The toy soldiers and dolls danced around the tree as the birds sang on. Crash! The music stopped. Candy canes! A voice squeaked. Marie turned. A mouse army, all in uniform, was marching towards the tree. A mouse general was leading them, his chest covered with shiny medals. Candy canes, he repeated. Marzipan and chocolate. Charge! The Nutcracker began to drum. Dum-diddy-dum. The toy soldiers lined up behind him. They marched toward the mouse army. One mouse turned and ran away. Then the entire army followed, all except the general. I want sweet potato pie, the general shouted. He ran, jumped, and knocked the Nutcracker down. The drum fell to the ground. When the drumming stopped, so did the toy soldiers. The mouse army advanced again. Charge, the mouse general commanded. What could Marie do? She picked up the drum and put the strap over her neck. Dum-diddy-dum. The mouse army stopped, turned, and ran away. The general glared, but Marie kept drumming until he too fled. As the mouse ran, they began to shrink, getting smaller and smaller. The toy soldiers chased the mice through a hole in the wall into the snow outside. The glass birds sang as the soldiers returned. Marie joined the Nutcracker in a dance. They swirled round and round. They seemed to be on a cloud. It started to snow, but it wasn't cold. Marie closed her eyes and began to sing. Marie? She opened her eyes. It was morning. Did I miss Christmas? Marie asked. Of course not, darling, Mama said. Under the tree were Marie's dolls, the Nutcracker, and something else, a drum. She picked up the drumsticks. Dum-diddy-dum-dum, dum-dee-dum. Very good, said Uncle Cav. He began to sing a Christmas song. Mama and Poppy and Miss Addie all joined in. And so did Marie. And that's the end.